You can save a lot of money by purchasing a whole chicken rather than one that has been cut up for you at the store. Today we'll be cutting up a raw chicken. First, get yourself a raw chicken. This is one we raised and butchered ourselves. You will also need a very sharp knife. Never try to cut meat or anything else with a dull knife, or you may end up cutting yourself. Sharp knives are safer knives. There are different ways to cut up a chicken, but the end result is about the same. This is how my mother taught me. I'm going to start by removing the breast. Work your fingers under the skin of the chicken to expose the meat. It's easier if you split the skin in two, and you may need to use your knife to cut through any tough connective tissue that doesn't want to let go of the skin. Once you reach the neck, pull the skin back and over the shoulders so that you can see where to cut. You want to cut down the side of the breastbone the entire length. At the top of the breastbone, separate the breast from where the wing starts. Just under the breast, you will see a slim strip of meat that wants to separate from the breast. This is the chicken tender, and you can either remove it with the breast or separately. To remove the second breast, it may be easiest to flip the bird around and then do the same process as you did for the first. Slice the meat away from the breastbone by following the bone closely. Separate the meat at the wing, then cut out the chicken tender. Put the two breasts and the two tenders in a bowl. Turn the chicken over and press firmly down on the back of the chicken where the legs meet the body. This will separate the joints and make it easier to locate where you're going to cut the leg quarter away from the body. Flip the chicken back over and insert your knife between the thigh joint and the body. Don't try to cut through the bone, but separate the joint. You may have to bend the leg back to get a good look at the joint. Continue to cut until you have removed the leg quarter. Now do the same thing to the other leg. You can either leave the leg quarters whole or separate the leg from the thigh by finding the line between them and slicing to the joint. Then bend the leg and thigh backward to expose the joint area you will finish cutting through. Now you have a separate thigh and leg piece. Do the same to the second leg quarter. To remove the wings, make a slice in the armpit to expose the joint. Bend the wing backward to separate the joint, then slice through to remove the wing. Do the same for the other wing. The farmer wants chicken strips for supper, so I'll be making those from the breast meat. The legs, thighs, wings, and body will be going into the pressure cooker to make the removal of the meat easier. I will then boil the bones down to make a rich broth, and will probably be making chicken and noodles in the next couple of days. Welcome to the Old Mayfield Place. I'm Snow the farmer's wife, and I teach you to be more self-sufficient. Thank you for stopping by, and have a blessed week.